Today we are going to make your standard light pole much more secure. So first, generally a standard flathead screw. Remove your very basic handhole cover. We're going to take this guy and slide it out. You should not need any of that. You take your handhole locking cover. You take your nice heavy duty grade 8 bolt, thread it onto the bracket. And what I usually like to do is give this a little bit of a spin so that you can get some thread on there, because these bolts are nice and long to adapt to a bunch of different pole configurations. So you take this guy, slide the bracket in there. Trick being, of course, make sure you don't pinch any wires. And then you want to make sure that the handhole cover itself is nice and secure with the slide stops inside, so the entire edge is completely flush inside the pole. And you crank this guy on. That is a grade 8 bolt. Again, you can give that some good pressure there. Then you take your heavy duty lock, you slide it in there, lock it on, and you are secure.